Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how to block invalid traffic in Google Analytics. We will also provide information about required steps to do so. Let's get started. Invalid traffic can cause too much havoc. To prevent it from happening, you need to block it in Google Analytics. Doing so will help prevent it from showing up in your reports. On the left side of the page, click on the gear icon and navigate to the Admin tab. In the View Settings section, notice if Bot Filtering button is checked. Then save the settings. If you see invalid traffic, make sure that it doesn't harm your website's reputation and performance. Also, avoid making ad placement mistakes that could affect your site's ranking. However, if you want to achieve better search engine results, you should put more effort into gaining organic traffic. In case of malicious bot activity, contact your ad provider and use helpful tips or contact a professional. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.